Welcome back, children, to lesson number 4, Basic Geometrical Ideas. Children, we have already done point, line segment, rays, curves, and polygons. Children, you already know about a ray. Ray is a portion of a line. It starts at one point and goes endlessly in a direction. Children, can you imagine that by joining two rays at one point, one initial point, we get a new geometrical figure, and that new geometrical figure is known as an angle. Children, an angle is made up of two rays starting from a common initial point. Children, you can see in this figure that there are two rays and they are meeting at one common point. These two rays are known as sides of the angle, and the common point at which these two rays meet is known as the vertex of the angle. Children, as other geometrical figures, angles can also be found in nature as well as our real lives. So let's see where are angles found in nature. Children, you can see this starfish. This starfish also has angles. Children, you can see in this picture the branches of the tree also form angles. Now children, what do you observe in this picture? When the bird's mouth is open, it is also making an angle. Children, this was about nature. You will find many more shapes like angles in the nature. Now children, in real life, you can see this picture that the corners of the room also forms angles. Children, can you see here? It is a picture of a playground. Here also, when you mark some points for certain games, they also form angles. Children, you all know this is a clock. Children, what do you observe here? Yes, here the hands of the clock also form angle when they show time. Children, do you know what is this? Yes, these are pyramids of Egypt, and these also form angles. Now children, take out page number 79 and see figure 4.17. Here you can see that there are two rays, ray OP and ray OQ, and these two rays OP and OQ meet at a common point, that is O. So children, ray OP and ray OQ are the arms of the angle, or you can say sides of the angle. Children, the common point is O, and this is known as vertex of the angle. So this is angle POQ. Hence, in angle POQ, OP and OQ are the sides of the angle and O is the vertex of the angle. Now children, see figure number 4.18. In this figure children, you can see that three angles are formed, that is angle APC, angle APB and angle BPC, but the common point is same, that is P. Children, here you have to remember one thing, that whenever you are naming an angle, the vertex of the angle, the common point of the angle will always be in the middle. For example, we have written angle APC, the middle one, that is P. Letter P is the vertex of the angle. While naming the angle, vertex will always be in middle. Now children, on the same page, page number 79, see at the bottom there is an angle, angle ABC. In this angle, ray BA and ray BC are the arms of the angle or sides of the angle, and B is the common point, that is vertex of the angle. Children, to show the angle we use a small curve at the vertex. Now children, you have angle ABC here. So shade the portion of the paper bordering ray BA and where ray BC lies. Children, now shade in different way the portion of the paper bordering ray BC and where ray BA lies. Children, you can observe that the portion common to both shading is called the interior of the angle ABC. The dark color area is the interior of angle ABC. Children, this interior of angle ABC is not a restricted area because the angle ABC is formed by two rays, that is ray BC and ray BA, which can be extended indefinitely since the two sides extend indefinitely. Now children, page number 80, figure 4.20. Here in angle PQR, QP and QR are the two sides of the angle. X is in the interior of the angle PQR and S is on the angle PQR, or you can say that S is on ray QP. Children, Z is in the exterior of the angle. So children, the angle has three parts associated with it, that is exterior of the angle, interior of the angle and boundary of the angle. Children, I hope you all understood the concept of angles. Write all these notes in your maths notebook. This was for all today. We will meet in my next video. Till then, stay connected. Bye-bye.